Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Planner 5D, and this will be a tutorial for beginners. So guys, the first thing of course that you need to do is go to Google and type in planner5d.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Planner 5D if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here, and check out how you can navigate and use. So basically, in the top left corner, and we have the products, resources, enterprise, and pricing. We also have your profile and all of those things about your profile. But those are just technical stuff. Let's go to the actual project. So you can go either to a new project or go to an apartment project or something like this. So I'll be clicking on a project like this here. And now guys, you can check out your, so here, and let's check out what we have here. So as you can see on the left side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can search for stuff. As you can see, wood door, window, TV, etc. Here we have the build, furnish, the outdoor. So you can build, of course, when you click build, you can build walls, draw walls, forms, and etc. When you click on furnish, you can see, of course, the furniture that you can choose, and the outdoor where you can see the nature and all of those things. And we have your items, new items, and we have the import 3D models, which you can do, of course. And those are some of the things you can do. Here you can go and reset something. You can go and turn your walls by clicking on them like this, etc., etc. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, as I told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.